So you don't have $2 billion to build your own rocket ship? Well, I tell you what, I'll show you how to make one for about $1. My name is Robert Segundo, and what we're going to do today is we're going to start with this is just basically a paper towel tube, and I've rolled it with a piece of paper just to give it some color. What we're going to do is we need to roll a top for this, so take a piece of paper here. I'm just basically going to take it, roll it into a funnel, maybe. There we go, that's something close. Let's take a little piece of tape here, and we'll tape it off. There we go. Just tape it off at the bottom down here somewhere, and then what we'll do, it's a bit long, so let's just cut it off. There we go. What we'll do is we'll just stuff this down at the top here, like so. There we go. If you want to, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and add a little piece of tape to the top of that, just so it stays on. There we go. This is just some fun stuff to do. Don't use too much tape now or you will exceed your $2 billion. Let's top it off a little bit. There we go. Now what I've done here is I've cut out some fins out of some cardboard here, just some little shapes, and what I've done is split one from the top down and one from the bottom up. Just take them and we'll put them together like that. Take our little rocket here and we'll cut 4 little lines in him like so, or something close to that. And we'll just pop it on the bottom. Look at there. Look at there. Just as good as a NASA rocket. And Robert Segundo, have fun playing with your paper rocket.